fix your temporarily block on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix your temporarily block. So guys, nowadays you're facing this problem. So if you wanna fix the problems, then watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So if you're finding this problem, then what you have to do is just let me show you. I will just comment once. So just take a screenshot of this problem and then go to your account, go to your profile icon, and then you can see here you can see here 3 days. So just click on the 3 days, and then you have to go to your gear icon, setting icon, and then after going to setting icon, you can see here help option. So just click to help option, and then you have to click on report a problem. So click to report a problem, and then again you have to click on report a problem. So after clicking to report a problem, they will redirect to you in this page. So you have to write your problem here. So just write a random problem here. So guys, you are facing this problem because of the third-party application. If you are using the third-party application, or if you are trying to follow more than 5-6 people at once, or if you are commenting more than 6-7 comment at once, you will find this problem because Instagram thinks that you are a captcha or a robot. So to fix this problem, you have to do the same thing with which I have shown you now. Then now you have to click on the plus icon. You can see here plus icon. After this, click on plus icon and then go to gallery. So after going to gallery, just upload the screenshot you have taken. So I will just upload this, and then you can see here an option is submit. So just submit your feedback here and then close it. So now you have to wait for 10 to 24 hours to fix the problem. So guys, this is how you can fix your temporary block on Instagram. Thanks for watching.